Imagine waking up to a phone buzzing with new client inquiries, homeowners asking for quotes, contractors seeking partnerships, and designers wanting to collaborate. All looking for your countertop installation expertise. Sounds like a dream? In 2025, it doesn't have to be. Hey there, if you're running a countertop installation service and you're struggling to find consistent leads, or you're relying too much on word of mouth, this video is your game changer. We're diving into proven, practical, and future-ready strategies that'll help you get real, paying clients, without begging for referrals or wasting money on ads that don't work. So, if you want to unlock the full potential of your business and finally get the attention it deserves, stick around till the end. Step 1. Optimize your local presence. Google Maps is your new salesperson. In 2025, local visibility is more powerful than ever. Your first goal should be to dominate Google's local pack, the top 3 results that appear when someone searches countertop installation near me. Here's how. Claim and optimize your Google business profile. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are accurate. Upload real photos of your finished countertop projects. Before and afters work wonders. Ask satisfied clients to leave reviews, but not just any reviews. Encourage them to mention specific materials, locations, and even your professionalism. Example. Hector's countertop service installed stunning quartz counters in my Miami kitchen. Quick, clean, and professional. Why it works? Google reads reviews like content. This boosts your visibility for searches like Quartz countertop installer in Miami. Step 2. Build a conversion-ready website. Your website should do more than just show off your work. It needs to turn visitors into leads. Here's what to include. A clear headline like top-rated countertop installation in city. Call to action buttons like get a free estimate or book a consultation. Trust builders, client testimonials, warranty info, and licensing badges, a lead capture form, and offer something valuable in return, like a free countertop design consultation. Don't overthink the design. Simple, clean, and fast-loading beats flashy every time. Mobile first is a must. Over 60% of searches come from smartphones in 2025. Step 3. Master local SEO. Without overwhelm. To get leads for your countertop installation business, you need to speak the language your customers search for. Use keywords like kitchen countertop installers, granite countertop service, or bathroom countertop replacement naturally in your homepage and service pages. Add location-specific landing pages. For example, countertop installation in Austin, TX with photos of your work in that area. Blog once a month. Short 500-word posts answering questions like quartz versus granite. What's better for kitchen counters? How long does countertop installation take? Cost of installing marble countertops in 2025. Google loves fresh, relevant content, and clients do too. They're more likely to hire a pro who educates them. Step 4. Use social proof and visual platforms. This is a visual business. People want to see what you can do. Post time-lapse videos of your installations on Instagram Reels and TikTok. Upload short tutorials or behind-the-scenes clips to YouTube Shorts. Share client testimonials with before and after photos on Facebook. Tag local cities, use trending hashtags like countertop goals, and always include a link back to your site or booking form. Social proof builds trust. And in 2025, trust is currency. Step 5. Build referral pipelines. That work don't wait for referrals? Engineer them. Connect with local kitchen remodelers, plumbers, and interior designers. Offer a referral bonus, maybe $100 per converted client. Join local trade associations and networking groups. And here's a tip most ignore. Build a small pro partner section on your site. List the names and logos of professionals you work with. It shows you're established, collaborative, and connected. Step 6. Tap into local Facebook groups and Nextdoor. Your ideal clients are already talking, you just need to join the conversation. Search for groups like Home Renovation, Your City, or DIY Kitchen Projects, Your State. Don't spam. Instead, answer questions and share helpful tips. Drop your website only when it's genuinely relevant. Same goes for Nextdoor. It's a goldmine for hyperlocal exposure. People trust posts from neighbors, not ads. Be helpful first and the leads will come. Step 7. Email marketing, still alive and kicking. Once you collect leads, don't let them go cold. Set up a simple email sequence using free tools like MailChimp or Brevo. Send a welcome email with your portfolio. Follow up with a 3-email drip. Email 1. Common mistakes in DIY countertop installation. Email 2. Your 3-step process and turnaround time. Email 3. Special seasonal offer. Limited slots. This keeps you top of mind and increases your close rate by up to 70%. Step 8. Paid ads, but smarter in 2025. If you've got a budget, Google Ads is still a great way to drive countertop installation leads, but you need to be precise. Use keywords like hire countertop installer near me or affordable Quartz countertop service. Set a local radius, ideally 15 to 30 miles. Only run ads during business hours and always track conversions. Don't just look at clicks, monitor how many people actually contact you. Step 9. Retargeting. Don't let visitors slip away. Most people won't hire you the first time they visit your website, but you can bring them back. Set up a Facebook pixel and Google Ads retargeting tag. Show ads only to people who visited your site in the last 30 days. Offer an incentive like free backsplash design with every countertop project this month. Retargeting is one of the cheapest, most effective ways to stay visible without being annoying. Step 10. Track what's working and do more of it. Finally, use tools like Google Analytics to see where your traffic comes from, CallRail or similar to track phone call leads, simple spreadsheets to log referral sources. What gets measured gets improved. Don't guess what's working, know it. And there you have it. The complete step-by-step playbook to get more leads for your countertop installation service in 2025. If you implement even just half of these strategies, you'll start seeing results fast. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It lets us know you want more content like this. And if you're serious about growing your business, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a lead-generating tip. Thanks for watching, and here's to a booming countertop business in 2025.